Good evening to all.
विचारा
Good
विचारा
evening.
Demo demo card mama it sent.
Okay, yeah. Yesterday we discussed basics, right? In first session we discussed introduction about programming languages, right? Introduction and basics completed. Today class, yesterday data types also I started. Today I will discuss data types and operators topic. Today topic is data types and operators we will discuss. Okay, what are the data types are there? Yesterday, numerical data types we discussed. Numerical data types, right? I told you what is the size of data types that is depends upon the compiler. That is compiler dependent. Yesterday we discussed, right? Okay, now today we'll discuss some questions on some programs on C programming language. Okay, data types. Okay, C. Yesterday I told you what is the ranges, how they have given the ranges. Yesterday we discussed up to 6 bits we have written the ranges. Okay, now I give you one program. Okay, what is how to print the values? Okay, using data type. When it is exceeded, then what will happen? See, if I take 3 bits, yesterday I told you signed and unsigned bits, signed and unsigned bits. If you take signed bits, what will happen? If I take unsigned bits, what will happen? Right? If it signed means both positive and negative numbers. Signed means both positive and negative. Unsigned means what? Unsigned means only positive numbers, right? Unsigned means only positive numbers, right? If I take 3 bits, what is the range I have given yesterday? Okay, if it is unsigned also I have given yesterday what is the ranges of 3 bits or n bits. Okay, formula also we prepared, right? If I give 3 bits, what is the range? If I give uh, 3 bits in the sign, what is the range, right? If I give 3 bits signed bits, range is, I told you yesterday, -4 to +3, -4 to +3. If it is unsigned, that range is how much? That range is 0 to 7. That is the range of 3 bits range, right? Okay, my question is what? When it is exceeded, okay, if I give, I want to store, this range is what? 0 to 7 it is. That 0 to 7. Okay, if I take 0 to 7, we can store this 0 to 7 values into in these 3 bits. That is the range of these 3 bits. Okay, we can store 0 to 7. If I try to store 8, what will happen? Okay, this range is what? 0 to 7. This range is 0 to 7, right? If I try to store 8, there is no 8 value here. There is no 8 value. Then what will happen? If you try to store 8, what will happen? See, uh, there is no 8, right? It takes the values in circular manner. Now what it takes, it will take 0. It takes, there is no 8, it takes 0. Are you following what I'm saying, right? If there is no 8 value, this range is 0 to 7, accepts 0 to 7. That's why it takes, if I give 8, it takes 0. Means example, 8 how to write? 8 how to write, you know this. 8 means we know, we write like this: 1 0 0 1 0 0. Are you following? 1 0 0. That is 8, right? Okay, there is no, only it accepts 3 bits. If you give a 3 bits, it ignores that bit, right? Why? Because 3 bits only it accepts 3 bits. That's why what is the 8 value is what? This 0. Okay, if I give a 9, how to write a 1? 9, this is a 9. If I give a 9, what it takes? What are the value? 1 it takes. If I give 10, it takes 2. If I give this way, it takes the values. Okay, whenever it is exceeding the values, it takes the values in circular manner. Same left side, if I give, there is no -1, if I give -1, what will happen? We cannot store -1 here. If you are not writing a -1, then what it takes? It takes 0. Sorry, it takes 7. Okay, why? Because there is no minus 1. If there is no minus 1, then in which value it takes? It takes this value, right? 7 it takes. If I give minus 2, if I give minus 2, is there minus 2 here? There is no minus 2, then what it takes? 6 it takes. If there is no minus 3, then it takes 5. Okay, it takes the values in circular manner. Whenever it is exceeding the value, it takes the value circular manner. Example, I will show you. If it is an integer range, what is the integer range? That is, integer range is minus 32,002 plus 32,768 plus minus 32,768 plus 32,767. Okay, if I try to store, see what is the range? That integer range is maximum range of integer is, see, uh, integer x equals to integer x equals to 32,767. That is the range, integer range, up to minus 32,768 plus 32,767. Okay, if I print this x value, it prints. Why? Because it's in the range. Within the range, we can print the value. Now I want to print the x value. See, if I print x, what it prints. Now I am trying to print x value. Percentile D, print x value. Now I am printing x value. To see the what is x, get ch close, right? Okay, if I print this x value, it prints. Now save as .c extension. No need to write header files. No need to write header files. Now I want to save as .c extension. Save as .c extension. Once execute, if I write 32,768, it prints 32,767. Okay, if I write 32,768, 32,768, there is no that value, right? There is no that value. Then what it takes? See, it takes the values. Okay, a circular manner. Circular manner means what will happen? How it takes the values, right? See, how it takes the values. It takes the values in circular manner. Example, if it is integer range is what, right? 32,768 plus 32,767. It takes, see here, how it takes the values. See, this is the diagram. If I write plus 1, it takes minus 32,768. Check it once. If I give plus 32,768, what it gives the values? See, minus 32,768. Okay, if I give 32,769, if I give 32,769, means plus 2. If I give a plus 2, then what it gives? Minus 32,767. See once, if I print this value, minus 32,767, right? Okay, same way, this side, left side, if I give next to it, what is this value? This minus 32,769. If I give minus 32,769, what will happen? It takes plus 32,767. Example C, minus 32,769. If I give minus 32,769, see the answer, plus 32,767. Clear, right? You understood, right? How it is taking the values? This way it takes the values. Now tell me, guys, if I give integer x equals to, if I give integer x equals to 40,000, all of you take pen and paper. Now tell me what is x value now. All of you. Try this. If I give x equals to 40,000, if I give x equals to 40,000, which value it gives? Which value it gives? All of you, try this. Yeah, Lohit. Sai Nikita.
Sir, I'm trying.
Yeah. Ikshwak. Yeah, tell me what is output. What to do if you want to find the answer for 40,000? First, how much it is exceeding, you should know, right? Okay, this range is what? Here, see, it is minus 32,768, right? Here, right? What is the value here? Minus 32,768 too, right? This range is not 0 to 7. Example, this value is minus 32,768. This value is what? Minus 32,768 it is. Okay, what is this side value? It is plus 32,767, plus 32,767. Okay, okay, now we have to find out how much it is exceeding 40,000. If I give 40,000, what is the how much value it is exceeding? We need to find out. We have given 40,000. If you give 40,000, okay, what to do? How much it is exceeding? This range is up to 32,767, right? Subtract 40,000 minus 40,000 minus what you have to take. Okay, 0 also add 0, 0 to 32,767, 0 to 32,767. What is that? 32,768 value. Okay, subtract. If I subtract, what is the value here? How much you will get?
7,233.
7 to
33.
232.
2, right? 7 to 3
Yes, sir.
2. Why? Because you have to add 0 also. Okay, how much it is exceeding? 7232 is exceeding. How much it is exceeding? This value we have to add this side, right? We have to add this side. Now I am adding this side. 7232, add this side. If I add this side, now this is a minus 32,768. See here, minus 32,768, right? What I have to subtract? 7232 has to subtract 7232. Now I'm subtracting. Subtract this value. If I subtract, what we will get? 6.
25,000
Huh?
minus 25,536.
Minus 25,000.
536.
536. See, 8 to 6. Okay, 6 3 3, 7 to 5, and 12 7 5. Yeah, minus 25,536. We'll get minus 25,536. See the answer here. If I print minus 25,536. Got it? It's not garbage value. Are you following? It's not garbage value. We are getting exact integer value. How it is getting this way? Whenever it is exceeding the value, it takes the values in circular manner. Okay, if you write plus 1 here, there is no plus 1. That's why it comes this side and takes. Clear it is? Yeah.
Sir,
Now, yeah, tell me.
sir, but how we will get to know that it is in between the range of minus 32,768 and 32,767?
Sorry.
How we will get to know that particular value we have given it is in between
We
this
know,
range?
right, that integer range.
Okay,
Yesterday I
sir.
told you.
Yes, yes.
Ranges of integer, right?
Yes.
If it is taking 2 bytes, how much it takes? 3 bits ranges, 4 bits ranges, 5 bits. If it is integer takes 2 bytes, that range is this.
Okay, fine.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, unsigned integer. Okay, what is unsigned integer? In exam, in multiple choice question, they will ask like this. Unsigned, they will create a confusion. Unsigned int x equals to minus 5. Okay, many of see, if I see like this, unsigned means positive. If I give negative numbers, students directly they will write answer is compile time error, right? Why? Because unsigned means positive. uh, uh, if I write unsigned x equals to minus 5, it gives error, but compiler it won't give any error, right? Okay, now I want to print unsigned this value. Okay, now I want to write percentile x. Okay, what is percentile? See here, percentile is a range, not a integer. All of you concentrate. Percentile is not a integer. That range, within this range, it can print a value. Minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. Within this range, it can print the value. Okay, check it once. X is minus 5. Within this range or not? Are you following?
Yes,
X
sir.
range is what? Within this range is there. It prints the -5 only. Okay, if I use percentile u, what it prints percentile u? If I use percentile u, then what it prints now? Right? Now I want to print percentile u and I want to print x. What is percentile u? Percentile u will print positive numbers. That range is what? 0 to 65,535. It prints this in within this range. Within this range, it prints the values. Okay, if I use -5, if I use -5 is it is not in within this range. Then what it prints? What it prints? I told you, right? Same. If it is a unsigned integer range, what is the unsigned integer range? 0 to 65,535, right? You take 0 here, 0. This range is 0 to 65,535. 65,535. If I take 0 to 65,535, if I give -5, if I give -5, what will happen? I told you, we are moving this side. We are moving this side. How much you are moving at this side? Are you following? How much you are
Yes.
moving at this side? Okay, how many values you are moving? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, if I give a large number, that is difficult to find out, right? If I give -232, if I give -232, we cannot count minus 65,000, 65, 4. We cannot count. That's why what to do? Add these two values. How many values are there? 0 to 65,535 is there. 0 to 65,535 means how many values are there? 65,536 values are there. Subtract, what you have to subtract? -5 you have to subtract. Sorry, 65,536 values are there. 0 to 35. 0 to 35 is 36. Okay, subtract -5. If I subtract -5, which value it gives? That is
65,531.
65,531. You got it right? If I use percentile, you will get this value. Once again, if I use percentile, you get them normally -5 you will get. If I use percentile, you will get another answer. See guys, -5, 65,531. Got it? Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
It print -5 and 65,535. Just write this program.